I'm always afraid to speak in front of the public because whenever I speak, some people would laugh at me, and I don't wonder anymore because it has something to do with my provincial accent. Like I came from Mindanao, and some of my accents are really noticeable. Uh, Before I read Viva's poems, you know, survival from come to Latin roots. Sor is means beyond, and vivere or viva means life or beyond life, or to go beyond this life, or to go beyond life, to be to survive, to become superhuman or something like that. Uh, I would like to share something to you about survival. Well, I'm one of those remnants, and the 80s generation of the 80s in Mindanao was able to survive and come to Manila instead of going to the mountain. I would like to tell you a story. I was in the mountain with a native Mandaya, which means upstream dweller. I stayed there for a week, and every morning I saw this old man would sit at the log every morning, just with his knees. I don't know how to describe it in English, but something like that, and his head looking forward to the sunrise. And then in the afternoon he would do the same the ritual. He would do the same ritual. And every day, I was wondering why he was sitting there and waiting for, as if he was waiting for something. So I asked the old man, "Umpo, nasa kami tagadan?" And the old man said, "Ampan sa kaitin." Or he said, "Nothing." And I couldn't say anything. It was so deep, and I don't know how to react to it. But later on in my life, I realized that me, I have been kept on waiting that something will happen, especially in our society, that someday somehow there will be no more homeless people, homeless street children. Lahat magkaroon tayo ng sa mga pangarap natin sa buhay, especially in our society. But seems that all this waiting for me, walang nangyayari. I have been so idealistic, but nothing happens. So one day I stopped waiting. So what I did, oh no, I stopped waiting for nothing. I'm still waiting for something, but for nothing. So I create, but during the time waiting for nothing, I create something that is good for the greater good, or for the summum bonum, or for the highest good of the society. Instead of creating disunity, distraction, or whatever, I create peace. I try to contribute peace, harmony, and unity for the society by creating my art, by encouraging young people. Instead of anger and hatred, I try to promote peace, unity, and harmony through my art, through my song, or through my music, art, and poetry. And to me, that is survival. Kahit wala kang hinihintay, we're waiting for nothing, but during that span of waiting, we do something, and for me, that is survival. This evening, I'm so proud of Viva, and I'm also honored to be here to read Viva's poems.